There are several foods that can help unclog arteries and prevent heart attacks due to their nutritional properties. Here are 7 of them. 1. Garlic. Garlic has been found to have benefits for arterial health. 2. Chia seeds and flax seeds. These seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which can reduce inflammation and improve heart health. 3. Olive oil. Olive oil is high in monounsaturated fats, which can help reduce bad cholesterol levels and lower the risk of heart disease and stroke. 4. Green tea. Green tea is rich in antioxidants, which can help prevent the oxidation of LDL, bad cholesterol, reducing the risk of atherosclerosis. 5. Fatty fish, salmon, sardines, mackerel. These fish are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which can reduce inflammation and blood clotting, both of which can contribute to clogged arteries. 6. Nuts, walnuts, almonds. Nuts are a good source of healthy fats and fiber, which can help maintain a healthy cardiovascular system. 7. Fruits and vegetables. Apples, berries, tomatoes, broccoli, spinach. These fruits and vegetables are high in fiber and antioxidants, which can help reduce inflammation and maintain cardiovascular health. Remember, while these foods can contribute to a healthier lifestyle, they should be part of a balanced diet and not the sole prevention method for heart attacks. Always consult with a healthcare provider for personalized advice.